I've read that was fascinating. I'm just curious about the studies on the brain-to-brain coherence. Um, were those your studies? Were those produced somewhere else? Are people thinking in these terms? And if so, what is the broader context that they see those kind of results in? What sort of framework are they understanding those results?
It's not, those are not my studies. It's where the field has gone with increasingly simplified equipment that can be time locked, which is what you need to do. And so all the studies that I showed you have been done by other people. We're just seeing it as a possible mechanism to understand and to give individualistic steps, is a point that John started with. Maharshi effect, we know it has an effect on societal indicators, but how? And so looking at the DNA is one way, looking at the brain waves is another to try to get at this how. So that's what we're using a current understanding in the field to try to use it to understand Vedic technologies.
Is there any sense in those researchers?
Oh, what the researchers say is, oh, this must be the mechanism of social transmission, and they have pretty far-flung points. But and this was the first wave of enthusiasm. But then what I showed you with the people going to a movie, they're realizing there's a lot of common environmental experience, behavioral experience, which may be accounting for the brain sync. It may just be that when two people are involved in the same task, they're getting the same behavioral feedback, the same brain areas are being involved. I mean, the cooperation competition, I think, is perfect. They're seeing the same thing. It's just what are they trying to do? Are they attentive to what the other person is doing? Are they attentive to social cues? And so this is the idea of extending that outside of a waking state task. Eyes closed state, but we're transcending. And does this brain-to-brain synchrony get at, as you get closer to that same field of pure consciousness, are you actually being entrained? Obviously, on the level of consciousness, there's some entrainment there. But do we see this on the level of brainwaves?
Be very interesting.